Welcome back to our channel Digital Notes. Today we are going to see 3.3 Truth English Workshop. Let's start. First question. Read the poem aloud and recite it with a proper rhythm. Second question. Find from the poem two lines each that contains the following figure of speech alliteration: sticks and stones may break my bones. Second. Stones and sticks break only skin. Then repetition. First, sticks and stones may break my bones, stones and sticks break only skin, slant and curved the forward shots, two pears and sticks inside me. Next. Third question. A. Pick out from the poem synonyms of: first, injury, bruises. Second, delicate, tender. Third, ache, scar, embrace, mortify, cured, healed. Next. B. Pick out from the poem antonyms of: first, forget, remember, flat, obliterate, curve, make, break, rise, fall, outside, inside. Next. Fourth question. Answer in your own words with the help of the poem. Write them in your notebook. A question. What objects can cause injury to our body? Answer. Stones and sticks may cause injury to our body. Come to the next question. B. How do harsh and bitter words hurt the poet? Answer. Harsh and bitter words are like slant and curved sword. They deeply hurt the poet's sentiments. Like and subscribe. Next question. C. What can heal faster, body or the mind, the heart, emotions? Explain your choice. Answer. Body can heal from any scar faster than our mind and heart, because when our mind and heart they get hurt, it disturbs us for a long time. It is quite difficult to come out of the trauma. Next question. Why are harsh words called ghosts? Answer. Harsh words are called the ghosts because they hurt our emotions. Insult caused by the words disturb our mind for a long time. Next question. E. What does the poet want you keep in mind when you speak? Answer. The poet wants us to keep in your mind to use the very kind and gentle words when we speak. Come to the next page. Fifth question. Find the rhyme scheme of the stanza number 2nd and 3rd. One is done for you. Stanza 1st ABCB, stanza 2nd ABCB, and also stanza 3rd ABCB. Next question. 6th. Just as the words that can hurt and leave the scar on the mind and the heart, words can also heal a person in a distress. Write in your notebook an experience of your own which proves that the kind words relieve distress. Take down a screenshot or write it in your notebook. Come to the next question. 7th. Complete the following. The title of the poem: Truth. The poet of the poem: Barry Wade. Theme of the poem: we should not say anything bad to anyone. We should use words carefully. Next. Number of stanzas: 3. Rhyme scheme ABCB. Figure of speech alliteration and repetition. The line I liked: pain from the words has left his scar on a mind and heart that's tender. Next question. 8th. Summarize the poem in short in your own words. Consider these the points to summarize the poem. Identify who the speaker is and who the poem is addressed to. Next. Identify the main points in every stanza. Express them in short, simple sentences in your own words. Explain implied meaning. Retain the order of points. Write down the points, making a short paragraph for each stanza. Conclude the summary with the overall the theme and the meaning of the poem. Take down the screenshot and write it in your notebook.